Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the operator presence lever on a 394 XP Husqvarna. Kind of a simple process, but if you don't know how, it could be, quite challenging. Now there's covers that fit on each side of the handle. The tab here goes first, and then it snaps in. Right? So what I do is I'll push this out with a screwdriver, and I'll get in here, get on top, and then I'll just pop it out. One on each side. You don't pry from this side, otherwise you'll bust that little tab off. Now this presence lever has a spring. And there's the spring. Now what you do with the spring is you take it, and then there's a little, I'll show it here, hopefully we can get, there's a little, here, how do we see it? Okay, that plastic thing right here that I'm touching, it's got to go underneath, and then onto the trigger mechanism itself. And you push that down inside. Yeah, that really worked, eh? But anyway, it fits inside the underneath the plastic, little orange plastic, onto the trigger. Now you have this piece of the spring right here sticking out. Now that goes in this piece right here. I don't know if you can see right there. Phone falls over. Fits right there. Now you put it in here and you kind of turn it, right? Now you make sure it's still in place on the trigger. Now you just push this piece in from the front right here, the presence lever, you stick it in here, and then you push downwards and in, and it should lock. You should hear a snap. And here, I don't want to lose the spring. Took it out too many times, now it's not snapping on it. There. You can see the spring right in there on the trigger. And now it works. Now what you do is you take the small pin punch, stick it through here, find your presence lever, the hole. Now the pin that holds the presence lever, you just stick it in from the other side. Take a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers work good here, and squeeze it in. Now we're done. Now, here's one side. I'll pop that in. The other side. And we're done. Simple as that. 394 Husqvarna XP, presence lever. You don't have to change, take off your tank. You don't have to do nothing like that. All right, guys. See you later. Hope you like this video anyway, because I couldn't find nothing on the 394 XP Husqvarna to do that kind of change, because mine actually broke. That's what happened to mine. Anyway, we will maybe put more videos about chainsaws and log splitters and stuff like that once I get onto it. All right, have a good day.